Hi everyone, this is Kristen, and today I'm here with one of my favorite case lines for iPhone XS Max. This is RhinoShield SolidSuit case in their genuine leather and real wood versions. Really nice cases for iPhone XS Max. They're very thin and lightweight and will give you over 11 feet of drop protection. In addition, these cases will allow you to switch out the buttons for an extra splash of color, and they are compatible with RhinoShield's system of add-on lenses. Let's take a closer look at these cases on my iPhone XS Max in gold. Looking at the construction of the SolidSuit case, this is a one-piece case, so it's quite convenient to get on and off your phone, although it's relatively tight-fitting. We have a relatively rigid material that this is made of, both on the back and on the sides. Not a lot of give here. We have a honeycomb pattern on the interior here, which helps with shock absorption. And this is made of a special material called shock spread, which is how you get the over 11 feet of drop protection you have with such a slim and lightweight case. So all of the SolidSuit cases are basically the same on the interior and on the sides. Where they differ is what the back panel is made of. So what we have here are the fanciest versions of the SolidSuit. We've got 3 real wood versions that have a real wood panel that is inset in the back here, and then there is also one that has a panel of genuine leather that we're going to be looking at. So really nice cases from RhinoShield. So putting your phone in here is pretty straightforward, although this is a relatively tight-fitting case. You're going to want to start with the volume up and down buttons side, and then press that into place, and then clip on your other corners. Looking at the fit of this case, we have a nice tight fit here on the sides. Volume up and down buttons also super tight, as well as the top and the bottom. This is an extremely secure fitting case. Looking at the amount of lip we have on here, also plenty of lip to protect your screen, which is excellent. I currently have a tempered glass screen protector on here. If I did not, I would have more visible lip. This fits on really well with case compatible screen protectors. This particular one is the Zag Glass Plus Vision Guard, really excellent screen protector from Zag. RhinoShield also offers its own screen protectors, which will fit well with this case. Looking at our port openings, these are nicely positioned and nicely sized, although RhinoShield did decide to go with symmetrical port openings, even though the design of the XS Max is not symmetrical in this regard. So if that's the kind of thing that bothers you, you might be a little concerned, but honestly most people don't really notice, in my opinion. So we've got plenty of space here for many third-party lightning cables, although this case does support wireless charging, so you might be using your lightning cable less than you otherwise would. Going around to the side, we have a spot here for a lanyard if you happen to have one, although one does not come with the case. And then going up the sides, if this is the first time that you have looked at the SolidSuit cases this year, you're going to be in for a pleasant surprise because they've really improved the grip on here. Used to be that SolidSuit cases were great except for the grip. Now, honestly, I mean, no, it's not Spec Candy Shell or Spec Presidio grip type of a grip, but this is still a really nice secure grip. Personally, I don't have any issues whatsoever. Using the SolidSuit feels really nice and secure in my hands, but it still is going to slide very easily in and out of pockets and handbags. Buttons are excellent, very responsive, no issues there, and very easy to get to your mute switch. Going over to the top, not a lot going on, and then going over here to our side button, again, very super responsive, and we've got some RhinoShield branding down here on the side. Going to the back of the case, so of course, this is where all the excitement is with the different versions of the SolidSuit. Really like the genuine wood versions on here. This is, as I said, real wood. It's not fake wood or anything, and you're going to have different looks depending on what kind of grain you have with the wood, so I think that that is very nice. Case does support wireless charging without any issue. We have plenty of protection here for your protruding camera, no problems, and because this is a wood case, you're not really going to have a problem with fingerprints, I think, or scratching, or at least not very easily. This type of material is going to hold up pretty well. You do want to be careful about using anything like a solvent or anything like that on it, because that will damage the wood finish, so be careful about that. But other than that, should really hold up quite well. Overall, just a really nice slimline case for iPhone XS Max. Looking at a slightly lighter color wood case, this is the RhinoShield SolidSuit in dark walnut. The first one that we were looking at is something called black oak. So you can see they're close, but definitely a little bit of a warmer, lighter brown with the dark walnut as opposed to the black oak. Both of them are really nice. So just giving you a look here. I mean, the sides are the same, the front is the same. It's really just a difference in the look of the back panel. So it depends on what you're looking for here. Both are lovely cases. One downside of the fact that the SolidSuit is so secure on your iPhone is that it is relatively difficult to remove. You want to start from the bottom, go to the bottom corner here, press it off, and then go to the other corner. Do both bottom corners first and then take it off that way. For some reason, it's easier starting from the bottom than the top. Not really sure why. Moving on to the third wooden case version that the SolidSuit comes in, we have our light walnut. This one's a little bit different in that it has white sides and interior. Also just a really nice case. Color is the only thing that is different here, exactly the same sort of construction. So putting our phone in here, you get a whole different look when you have the white sides around here. Again, we have a nice secure fit on the phone, no give anywhere, and I really like the way the white rim looks around the black screen, really quite striking. Looking down here at our port openings, you can see the way the gold peeps through there. Really like the way that looks. And then going around the sides, again, it's just the look of white versus black. Not a whole lot of difference here, just a new, fresh look. Got some RhinoShield branding down here. Looks a little different in white than in black, but other than that, I mean, it's basically the same. The only difference we have here is obviously on the back when we were looking at our light walnut versus the dark woods that we were looking at before. Also, of course, have a white ring around the camera here. No issues with how the camera works with that. There is no flash problem with this case, and everything just looks and feels great. I do like the fact that you can see a little bit more of the wood grain with the lighter wood than with the darker wood. I think it has a very nice natural look to it, and I like the fact that with this lighter wood it looks nice with a gold iPhone. Just overall a really nice look from RhinoShield with their wood-backed SolidSuit cases. Moving on to the leather version of the SolidSuit, this is basically the same case that we've been looking at in the wood version, only it has a leather panel that is inset in the back, has a nice look and feel to it. It's not what I would characterize as a super premium leather, but it is genuine leather and feels nice underneath the fingertips, should resist fingerprints and scratching really pretty well, I think, and overall I think that it is a nice addition to the case. So given that it's so similar to what we just looked at, let's look at some of the other features of the case. These are optional things, but they are nice things that you can do to add just a little bit more interest to the SolidSuit case. Let's look at the replaceable buttons. So if you want to switch out your buttons for a little bit of a different look, you can buy additional button colors for $2.99 from RhinoShield. So once you have them, all you need to do to switch them out is simply to press the existing ones inward, and then you want to take the new ones and put them in from the inside and press them outward. Basically do the same thing in reverse. It's really quite easy to do and a nice way to add a splash of color. The other optional feature that I wanted to point out to you that is compatible with the SolidSuit case is the add-on lens system. So in order to use that, you need to put this little adapter thingy and slide that over into the camera opening, press it down flat, and then put your phone in the way you ordinarily would. And then once that's in place, you can see that this just juts out very slightly from the back. And once it's in place like this, it allows you to slide on the add-on lenses extremely easily. I'll show you that in just a second. So that's a really nice feature. So looking at our leather solid suit case with our contrasting white buttons, I think that these have a nice fresh look to them. Really do like the way that they look. I'm a big fan actually of the ability to change out the buttons on the solid suit and mod cases by RhinoShield. I think that it's a relatively inexpensive way to give a fresh look to your case. Each color is $2.99. You could even go with 3 different colors on here if you wanted. Of course, that's going to end up costing you like almost $10 there, so definitely it's going to add up after a while, but even just $2.99 for a single color, I think it's a nice way to freshen things up. I do like the way the white looks on here. So going to the back of the case, again, the leather on here has a very nice look and feel, and then looking here at our lens adapter, you can see that this protrudes just a tiny bit from the back of the case, almost not at all, really not irritating, definitely something you can put on with the case and simply just leave in place rather than feeling like you have to take it off because it's sticking out too far. Honestly, it really bothers me when some cases have things that stick out a whole bunch. This really doesn't. It just protrudes very slightly, and in fact, I think it actually provides a little bit more protection for your camera area, so that is good. So getting your lens on there, it's really quite easy. There are actually 2 different types of lenses that are available. This is the more expensive one. It's going to run you $65 with the lens adapter, but you get some really good results with it. It's quite easy to put on. Uses something they call a bayonet system for attachment. Just put it in place and then twist and you are good. No complicated screwing on, no flimsy magnets. This all works really well. So good job by RhinoShield on this. Also super easy to remove. Overall, I think the RhinoShield SolidSuit is an excellent case for iPhone XS Max. It has a very slim form factor with an impressive degree of drop protection at over 11 feet. We also have a greatly improved amount of grip on the sides, which is an excellent improvement to the RhinoShield SolidSuit line. We have the ability to change out button colors if you happen to get bored with the color of your existing buttons. And if you are into photography, you have the ability to add external lenses, which is nice. So there's lots of different versions of the RhinoShield SolidSuit case. You've got a plain version, you've got one with prints, you have a carbon fiber, a microfiber, a version that is in brushed steel, as well as the ones we looked at today, which are the leather. You also have black oak, and then you have a dark walnut, and you have a light walnut. So overall, just tons of choices in RhinoShield SolidSuit's line for iPhone XS Max. Again, we've been looking at the RhinoShield SolidSuit case for iPhone XS Max. This case is available directly from RhinoShield and has an MSRP which starts at $29.99 for your basic version. These upscale versions go for $39.99 for both the leather version and the 3 versions of wood shown here. Many thanks to the kind folks at RhinoShield for sending me out these samples to review. If you have any questions about these products, please feel free to put them in the comments below and I will do my very best to address them. And if you are interested in subscribing to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button because I have lots more great case reviews yet to come. Again, this is Kristen with the RhinoShield SolidSuit case for iPhone XS Max. Enjoy your iPhone and have a wonderful day.